This is John Kennedy. I'm at the airport trying to get out of Washington, D.C. and back to America, back to Louisiana. I just left a meeting with Republican senators and President Trump. It was a great meeting. The president looks tan. He looks rested. He looks ready for a fight. We talked a little bit about politics. He shared with us some recent polling data. You'll probably not be surprised to learn that President Biden is polling right up there with hemorrhoids. President Trump shared with us some of his thoughts about how we're going to get these prices down as a result of President Biden's inflation. We talked about illegal immigration and how we're going to secure the border. We talked about crime. We talked about how our enemies throughout the world had lost respect for America and how we're going to gain it back, and more importantly, not only gain their respect, but earn their fear and increase defense spending. All in all, it was a very, very positive, happy meeting.